I'm Aries, and I am Cupcakes.
All right, guys. The first step is we need to put the cake mix in the bowl. So you gotta open the box. Ready? Let's see if y'all can do it. Come on. Let's. Here, Daddy's gonna come help. And you're gonna pour that in the bowl. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Baby, I think you. It is okay. It is okay.
We'll watch it. Be careful. Let me taste it.
You already? You gotta wait to cook it.
Good.
All right, Aries, just gently into the bowl so it doesn't go everywhere.
That's a lot.
Good job. Look at Apollo. He's already, I don't know what he's eating. Some chocolate over there. He's eating chocolate already? Hey, you gotta wait. All right, guys, you ready for the second step?
Yeah.
We gotta pour in 1 cup of water.
I'm gonna pour the whole thing.
Yes, the whole thing.
Oh, that's a lot.
Good job.
And making bubbles.
So just let that.
Making bubbles.
Uh-oh.
It's making bubbles.
It's okay. Here we go. Aries, your turn.
I'm popping the bubbles.
Okay.
I popped the bubbles.
You
I
did.
want 2 bubbles. Dad, this one's not doing it.
So the third step is we have to add 3 eggs into each bowl.
Well, I feel like you're red.
Yeah, probably from Brother's cake mix. Are you ready? Here we go. So each of you is gonna get 3 eggs.
Let me handle me, okay? I can't touch them.
Ready?
Uh-oh.
Break the leg.
This is the first. Oh. Uh-oh.
Ready?
Good job. 1, 2, and...
The last one. Let's see, can you break it by yourself? Break it right here. You gotta break it and then put it over the top. Go now, open it.
Oh!
Oh!
Oh! This is messy business.
We will. Just be patient. Let me help brother do his.
So you get 3 eggs also. Let's see how this goes.
You're gonna break it. Break it right here on the edge.
Good job. Look at that.
I'm inside the bubble. I'm inside to pop the bubble.
You are. But don't eat.
The bubble stuck.
Okay, but don't eat it, all right? We gotta wait. Good job. Okay, the third one. Look at that. He's doing it like an expert over here. The fourth step is the oil. So now we put some vegetable oil. Good job. Okay, just hand the cups back to Papa. What do you think the fifth step is?
Mixing.
Mixing. Very good job. Whoa, whoa, whoa.
Okay, be careful. Go. Gotta move it around.
Dad, I want to try that. This is just new. I need my.
You're next.
You're next, don't worry. Gotta mix it all together really good.
Go. Mix it.
Uh-oh. Follow. You gotta wait. No, don't eat it, okay?
No, icing right here on the table.
Oh, just on the table?
It's loud.
Yes, it is loud. So you kind of got to move the bowl around and move the mixer along the edges.
I can feel air. It's falling down.
It's just mixing, Papa. Don't worry, you're next.
Okay, mix it a little bit. Now let the video mix. Let it mix by itself. Hold on, be careful, there's nothing.
Keep the mixer in there because then it's going to splatter everywhere.
It's heavy.
It's heavy?
I'll just try now. That's it.
You think that's it? All right.
That's it.
Good
And
job.
I'll do it by myself.
Okay, hold on. First, let me get you over here.
Okay, now Apollo.
Okay, you ready, Polly?
You did good.
Okay, ready?
Oh, yummy.
Look at you.
What does it look like, Polly?
I like strawberry.
Like strawberries.
Mine looks like a muffin.
It does. Let's see. Looking good. Smells good, right? Uh-huh. Let's see. Oh, I see. It is. How's that, Apollo? You like the mixer? Yeah. You are.
Okay, we're almost done, Polly.
Okay. Uh-oh. You gonna be ready for the next step? Okay, now it's gonna be time to actually put the batter into the cupcake pan. So what characters do y'all have? Let me see. It's Minions. And you have Spider-Man? Oh my goodness. Are y'all ready? Yes. Sorry. You're Luigi.
Okay, guys. Okay, guys, so could you put the little cupcake cups here, in there? We gotta put them in there first. No, not yet.
Not yet, Apollo. Oh, he's ready. Yeah, we gotta put these in there.
Yes.
And then we're gonna put the batter, okay? This right here is batter. That's cake batter right there. And this right here. So you only want to pour it halfway, okay?
Only halfway.
Let's see. There you go. Good job. It does look like ketchup. Whoa. That cupcake is going to be big. It's okay, baby. It's going down.
It's like going down. I think that's what happened. His is crazy.
Uh-oh, look at that. Oh, Bessie.
Okay, stop it.
Let's see. Maybe you gotta put the pan closer.
Oh. Funny. They look like candy.
Uh-oh. What is that noise? Good job.
Yucky. We can make a big cupcake.
So what are you gonna do with the extra batter? You're gonna mix it up? You're gonna make a mixed up cake? All right, here we go.
Oh, pour that in.
Myself? I want to try by myself. Yeah, I want to try my own like this. Yeah.
I think maybe just half and half.
Stop with it. Stop.
okay.
Well, I want to try this by myself.
Go ahead.
Yeah, the whole thing. Just pour it in there.
It's going on top. The whole thing of it?
Yes, the whole thing. You got it.
No more. No more. No more. No more. No more.
Stay on the chair.
Going like this?
Yep. I think that's good. I think that's good. Oh my goodness.
Wow, that is big.
Let's see.
Here you go.
Oh, it looks
Here
good.
you go. Just mix it up real fast. Mix it up real fast. Real quick.
Wow, wow, wow. It makes it. Oh, it's mixing up.
You excited? All right, here we go. So what do y'all think is next?
We're going to put it in the oven for 16 minutes.
For 16 minutes? All right, y'all ready for that? Uh-huh.
It's taking a long time. Hurry up. How long is this going to take? This was taking forever. Ding, ding, ding. And stop. It only says to count 5 all the way to 0 and then stops. I think mine's done. It is not done. It's still counting down. 1, 2, 3. Cupcakes are ready.
Awesome.
Icing on them.
Okay, you ready?
Wait, let's just do it.
You ready?
I wanted to do it.
Are you ready to decorate? Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Oh, wow.
You got it. Okay, now spread it on the cupcake. This is part of the decorating. Good. Let's see, Paula.
Help.
You making cupcakes?
Is this how you do a knife?
Yes, just a little bit, and then you get some more and you put it on the next cupcake.
I'm just gonna stick it with but look how fast it can go.
Okay.
Yeah.
Whoa.
So do it like that. Yeah, watch like that.
Okay, so get some more.
Hold it, cupcake. Hold it, hold it, hold it.
Oh, whoa.
And then you're gonna put it on there like that.
You got it.
Yeah. Put it down right
I
there.
didn't even.
And then get another cupcake. Okay.
Oh my gosh, that is a lot, baby. Well, don't do too much because then you're
Is
gonna.
it okay?
Yes, that's okay.
Yes, but don't do too much because then you're gonna break the cupcakes. Okay.
No!
Oh, Aries.
Okay, let's get more.
Oh, wait, wait.
Let's get more. Come here. Come here. Come here. Put some icing.
You got it. Keep on going.
Good job, guys.
Because after this, then you get to put all the little decorations. You got candy.
I got it.
You're all done? Okay,
That's how you
Paolo.
do it? Okay, let me get
All right. Is it yummy? Go ahead. However you want. There you go. And then you got more stuff
You
over
got
here.
banners, and then you have these treats from here you can put on there.
I want to try Spider-Man.
All right, go ahead. Put sprinkles on the cupcakes or whatever decorations you want. No, don't eat them. You're supposed to decorate your cupcakes.
This one?
You're just going to eat them. How about the cupcakes?
Yeah.
Yeah. You can decorate a little bit.
Man, what is this?
Oh my goodness. He just decorated it and ate the candy. Let's see. Let's finish decorating them so then you can eat the cupcakes.
guys are eating more than you are decorating. It's time to decorate, boys.
I'm gonna put double spaghetti. Wow.
So this is your final work here?
You're gonna eat one already?
I'll put mine up. I think there's chocolate in that.
Oh, that's a lot of sugar. But go ahead. We don't do this often. Yummy. Oh my goodness. I don't know about any more sugar after this. Oh, we're gonna be in trouble. They look good though. Look at that.